Welcome back to Abyssale 101. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use Abyssale's API to modify, generate, and automate your designs without having to manually create each variation. Whether you're looking to generate thousands of personalized banners for your e-commerce products, create dynamic ads that update in real time based on inventory, or automatically produce visuals for your global campaigns across multiple languages, first, let's access the workspace settings where we'll create your API key. Look for the settings menu at the bottom left of your screen. Click on Workspace Settings. Once in the settings area, navigate to the API key tab in the left sidebar. You'll see the API management interface where you can create and manage your keys. Let's start by creating a new key. Click the green button. Create New API Key in the top right corner. With our API key ready to go, let's put it to work. I've prepared a simple banner design we'll use to test this out. Navigate and select one of your design, then click on the API tab in the left sidebar to continue. This is Abyssale's API testing terminal. Here you'll see your design's JSON code in the Post tab and available output formats on the right side. Let's take a look at the options available. You'll see the green Query API button that we'll use to test our changes. Next to it, you've got handy shortcuts to copy your code or design ID, plus links to our comprehensive documentation and developer guides if you want to dive deeper later. Now for the fun part, I'm going to find the text layer in the JSON code and change the message from eating healthy to feeling hungry. After making my change, I'll click Query API and voila! The updated banner instantly appears in the preview area below. Notice how the Response tab automatically opens, showing you all the details of what just happened behind the scenes. There are two ways to generate visuals through our API. Synchronously, for static visuals like this banner. You call the API and get your visual right away. Or asynchronously, for animated visuals like videos or HTML5. Here, you make a generation request, then wait for processing to complete since it takes a bit more time. Call it magic. Call it API. Now that you've seen the basics, you're ready to start integrating Abyssale's API into your own marketing workflows. Check out our Developer Hub for complete documentation and code examples. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials that will help you free up your creativity and save time on repetitive tasks.